So, students, our chapter 3 laws of motion. In your books, I think it is Newton's laws of motion, but I'm writing it in laws of motion only. So, there are many basic terms related to this chapter. I am starting with the topic force because it is more about force. Okay, so here, force. What is the definition? A push or pull is called force. It is a very simple definition of junior classes. Even if you will write this definition, I will consider it. I will give full marks for it. Now, next thing is okay, but its more scientific definition is force is an external cause which has tendency to change the state of motion or state of rest of a body, or which can deform a body or has the tendency to deform. So now next formula, how to calculate force. There are many formulae, but this is the most basic one. F equal to ma, mass into acceleration. Acceleration we have studied in previous chapter. So acceleration means change in speed. So by applying force we can either increase the speed or velocity or decrease the speed or of velocity. Next is SI unit, kg meter per second square or Newton. In CGS, gram centimeter per second square or Dyne. Gravitational unit, actually like weight. Weight is a kind of force also. I will upload another video link for it, so to just differentiate between mass and velocity, mass and weight. Well, gravitational unit in terms of weight, so it is called kgf or gf. Kgf is equal to 1000 gf, kilogram force, gram force. Next, relation between SI and CGS unit of force. 1 Newton equal to 10 to the power 5 Dyne. How this relation has come, try to find out of yourself. Relation between 1 kgf and SI unit. So 1 kgf equal to 9.8 Newton. Why this has come, we will discuss it in later topics. Right now just keep this thing in your mind. Relation between CGS. Okay, one more thing, it is roughly taken as 10 Newton also, and similarly here 1 gram force equal to 980 Dyne, which is roughly equal to 1000 Dyne. You might be listening some background noises, I can't avoid that, so try to be careful about listening to my words. All right, so this is all about units. Just keep these things in your mind, just memorize them, no other option. Now, force can be divided into two categories: contact forces, non-contact forces. The video I have uploaded on YouTube shows all the contact forces. I haven't considered any non-contact forces. There can be one where I have dropped a paper because there is no contact between paper and anything else, so gravity pulls it, so it is a non-contact force. But find other non-contact forces also. All right, so also another topic, another category: balanced force, unbalanced force. What is balanced force? If right, students, now balanced and unbalanced force. If number of forces are acting on a body and it is not getting accelerated, then those forces are called balanced forces. And if bodies, after applying number of forces, bodies getting accelerated, those forces are called unbalanced forces. So like this, right now on this pen, its weight is acting downward, and reaction by this paper or this table on which I have put it. So it is both the forces results no acceleration in the body, and thus these the combination of these forces will be called balanced forces. But uh, if I drop it, there are two forces, air drag and its weight. But despite of these two forces, yet it is getting accelerated, so these are called unbalanced forces. Or in tug of war, if in tug of war few people uh, pull the rope this side, other people pull the rope this side, and if it is balanced force they move nowhere, but it doesn't, it usually not happen. So the team, let us suppose this team is stronger, so it is a kind of unbalanced force, then they will pull all the persons. So this is all about the forces, the basics of forces. Think more about it, and if you have any doubt, then feel free to send your queries, questions, send them immediately from tomorrow onward, because we have to do more analytical parts.